Hi, my dear students. Good evening to everybody. I am Mathukumal Chandrasekhar Rao, a senior chemistry faculty in AP Tribal Welfare Residential Education Institutions, which is being managed by our beloved Gurukulam organization. I have been vast experiencing chemistry for the last 20 years, which is acquainted with competitive chemistry. So, I am very happy to introduce myself. At the same time, I want to contribute something for the benefit of the children who do not have any access for IIT advanced JEE main examinations. For which, if anybody wants to go for appear this test, kindly subscribe my channel. I am Mathukumali Chandrasekhar Rao. Please subscribe and watch all the videos which I have uploaded. I am sending videos since August to my beloved college children. They are following. They have enriched chemistry. So you people also follow the subject and enrich the chemistry subject and try to achieve good rank in IIT advanced as well as JEE mains. All other competitive chemistry. Okay. At present today, actually, I already told you last YouTube while I was uploading last YouTube. What I told you today, the only Sunday. Even though today is Sunday, I would like to conduct chemistry JEE mains quiz. So kindly note this JEE mains quiz. One is the outermost electronic configuration of the outermost electronic configuration of gadolinium. The outermost electronic configuration of gadolinium. Kindly note it. Second, the structure of IF7. The structure of IF7 and hybridization. If you know the hybridization, you will be in a position to mention the structure also. So second bit is the structure of IF7. The number bit, third number bit, maximum covalent character among the species which has maximum covalent character. That is, one is AlCl3, another is SnCl2, third is FeCl2, fourth one is MnCl2. AlCl3, FeCl2, SnCl2, MnCl2. Among the four, which has possess maximum covalent character? That is the question. Number fourth one is, when phenol react with sodium hydroxide, what happened? What is the product obtained? Next, hexaamine chromium chloride. This complex A, the number of ions in hexaamine chromium chloride. B, what is the oxidation state of chromium? C, what is the secondary valency in this complex? Fourth, what is it allows conductivity or not? So kindly keep it these bits. Another one is the most important, which is highly prominent for JEE mains. That is the hybridization. Of nitrogen atom the hybridization of nitrogen atom in NO3 minus, that is nitrate ion, NO3 minus nitrate ion, comma, NO2 plus, NO2 plus, comma, NHE4 plus, NHE4 plus. You kindly keep it. Once again I am repeating the question. The hybridization of nitrogen atom in NO3 minus, comma, NO2 plus, comma, NHE4 plus. That is the 5th bit. 6th bit. Bakelite, which is a polymer, well versed, well acquainted with the bakelite. Bakelite is the most important polymer which contains polymer. Bakelite contains dash monomers. So kindly keep it in mind. How many? Bakelite is a dash monomers. Bakelite involves dash monomers. Next one is butadiene. Butadiene. It undergoes ozonolysis. Butadiene. It undergoes ozonolysis. What is the product obtained? Very, very most important question for competitive chemistry. If you want to crack JEE mains and NEET and all competitive chemistry, this is the most important question. If 2-butene or butadiene undergoes ozonolysis, what is the product obtained? Kindly listen. Kindly keep it in mind. Next one. What is the angular momentum of an electron? What is the angular momentum of an electron in 5th orbit? 5th orbit. The formula mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. So 5th orbit. Kindly keep it in mind. Kindly note it. 5th orbit. Next one. Tollens test. Tollens reagent. Tollens reagent. If you have a Tollens reagent, I have a phenol and benzoic acid. I have a phenol and benzoic acid. How can you distinguish? You have a Tollens reagent, you have a phenol and benzoic acid. How can you distinguish? Can you note it? Next one. Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction involves Cannizzaro reaction. If I take 2 moles of formaldehyde in presence of ConHNaOH, what is the products obtained? Cannizzaro reaction. If I take 2 moles of formaldehyde, presence of ConNaOH, what products obtained? You know very well, Cannizzaro reaction is a disproportionate reaction. Oxidation takes place and reduction takes place. Kindly note the products. Another one is, for every 10 degrees rise temperature, so the most important bit, this question, kindly keep it in mind. The rate of a chemical reaction, doubles for every 10 degrees rise in temperature. You know pretty well. You are well versed in chemical kinetics. If temperature rises in 10 degrees C, the rate of the reaction becomes doubled. That question was asked. The rate of the reaction is doubled for every 10 degrees rise of temperature. Okay? If the temperature is raised by 50 degrees C, if temperature is raised by 50 degrees C, the rate of the reaction increases by about. If temperature rises by 50 degrees C, the rate of the reaction is increases by about A 10 times, B 24 times, C 32 times, D 64 times. A 10 times, B 24 times, C 32 times, D 64 times. Kindly keep it in mind. What is inorganic benzene? What is inorganic benzene? So, I wish you all the best. Better to try all the questions, and if you have any queries regarding the 10 questions, you contact me, you write me, I am ready to answer it. I wish you all the best. God bless you. So, from tomorrow onwards, I am going to upload video 3 regarding JEE mains crash course. Kindly follow it, kindly go through it. I pray to God to give a good health and prosperity to achieve the JEE main rank, JEE advanced rank. God bless you. All the best.